Chargers with predictive alerts from Tecell recover in just 24 to 48 hours, half the time of traditional reactive fixes. That's not just faster, it's a game changer for fleet reliability. Why does that matter? Because unplanned outages cost time, money, and customer trust. Predictive alerts catch problems before they crash your network. Operators get early warnings about communication failures or hardware issues. They can fix things during off-peak hours, not in the middle of a busy shift. Each alert comes with logs, error codes, and usage history. Technicians know exactly what's wrong before they even show up on site. The result? Faster repairs, fewer repeat failures, and more uptime across the entire fleet. That's real reliability in action. For fleet managers, this means consistent service and fewer headaches. For operators, it means less downtime and more satisfied customers.